Welcome to our first income stream presentation here at Tambay Academy. In this presentation, I'll show you how you can use your cell phone to sell e-load. Pinili kong gawing e-loading business ang first income stream for a few reasons. Number 1, it's free to register. Number 2, pwede kang mag-umpisa sa halagang 100 pesos na load wallet. At number 3, ang e-load ang isa sa mga produktong pinakamadaling ibenta. Napakagandang gawing negosyo ang e-load kasi the Philippines is the tax capital of the world. Merong 95 million cellphone users sa Pilipinas at karamihan dito nauubusan ng load. You can take advantage of this very big market, or you can use your load wallet to load your own cell phone or your loved ones and save up to 12% of your load expenses. By using your existing SIM card and cell phone, pwede ka nang mag-load sa lahat ng networks ng Smart, Talk and Text, Globe, TM, Sun Cellular at Red Mobile. You can also load game cards, prepaid cards at marami pang iba. Our e-loading system is powered by Load Central. At kung gusto nyong malaman ng details about the company, just Google it. May dalawang paraan ng paglo-load. Una, pwede mong gamitin ang cellphone mo by texting the e-load code and your PIN and sending it to any Load Central gateways. Pangalawa, pwede mong gamitin ang internet para mag-load. Kaya pwede mong gamitin ang e-loading system na to kahit na nasaang parte ka pa ng mundo. Astig, di ba? Kung gusto mong malaman kung magkano pwede mong kitain dito, check mo na lang yung income chart sa baba ng video na to. Ngayon, ituturo ko naman kung paano gawing savings account ang load wallet mo. Kung may extra 100 pesos to 1,000 pesos ka na savings, gawin mo tong puhunan para sa e-load business mo. I-announce mo sa lahat ng mga kakilala mo sa Facebook, office mates, classmates, at kapamilya na nagbebenta ka ng e-load. Remember, every e-load product you sell earns you from 8 to 12%. Kung 1,000 piso ang pinuhunan mo, maaari kang kumita ng 100 hanggang 1,000 depende sa dami ng load na nabenta mo. Ngayon, tatanungin kita, which is better? Saving your 1,000 pesos in a bank or investing in load wallet? Ang 1,000 mo sa bangko, 1,000 pa rin yan after 1 month. Pero kung sa load wallet, mababa na ang 10% profit in 30 days. Gawin mo to for 12 straight months and I guarantee you that your 1,000 pesos could grow up to 10,000 pesos or even more just by selling e-load. Paano ba mag-register? Sundin mo lang yung 4-step guide sa page na to and your retailer account will be activated within 24 hours. Kapag naging paid member ka ng Tambay Academy, makakatanggap ka ng libreng Android application na pwede mong gamitin pang-load. Ang galing, di ba? Oh, ano pang hinihintay mo? Register now for your free e-loading business. Become a full member by joining any or all programs that we promote in the Academy. Pagkatapos mong mag-register, please proceed to the next page for our second stream of income. Thank you for watching this video.